Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me show you the best CVS deals that you can grab this week. The first product that we are going to pick up is this Degree Dry Spray. Pick up 2. There's a $4 digital coupon which will apply. After that, you'll be left to pay just $5.88 and you'll earn back $3 in extra bucks from CVS. And Fetch is giving us 1,000 points for every dollar spent. So we'll get $5 from Fetch, making this a small money maker. The next item we'll grab is Dove shampoo. Pick up 2. There's a $4 digital coupon applying, after which you'll be left to pay just $7.58 and earning back $5 in extra bucks. The next item that we'll grab is Maybelline eyeshadow. Pick up 2, priced at $4.79. There's a $4 digital coupon and we'll get $5 in extra bucks, making it just 58 cents for 2. The next item that we'll grab is Nature Bounty vitamins. You can pick any variety. I'm picking up this one. So there's a 5 of 2 applying, after which you'll be left to pay just $1.99 for 2 bottles. The next item that we can grab is Copper Tone Mist. So this one is priced at $9.99. There's a $4 digital coupon applying. After that, you'll be left to pay just $5.99 and earn back $5 in extra buck. So this extra bucks offer is not applying to all Copper Tone products. So there are just few on which it applies, and you can pick up the baby varieties too if you're not able to find this mist in your store. The next item that I'm going to grab is this L'Oreal Paris Midnight Eye Cream, priced at $33.49. And we have multiple different coupons applying. So the reason why I'm picking this up is I'm going to pair 2 of the L'Oreal products to meet the $45 threshold. And these are the coupons that are applying. There's a $5 coupon, 5 of 25, and a $6 coupon. And on the second product, there's a $3 coupon. So the total of these two is going to be $45, and we'll get the $20 back in extra bucks. So my total for all these 11 products is $104. And after all the digital coupons apply, my final cost is going to be $58.99, and these are the coupons applying. So we have the $4 off Degree, we have the 4 of 2 Dove, we have the 4 for Maybelline, 4 for Copper Tone, 6 for L'Oreal, 5 of 25, 5 for L'Oreal, 5 for Nature's Bounty, and 3 for L'Oreal again. So in total, $50 coming up in coupon. So after we remove these $50, our net total is going to be $58.99. And again, this includes shipping. So I'll skip the shipping because try to find it in a store where these are already in stock. So if we remove that $4.99, our net cost is going to be $54. So $54 for 11 items. So let's see what are the extra bucks that we are getting. So we are getting $20 in extra bucks for the L'Oreal products. We are getting $5 in extra bucks for the Copper Tone, $5 for the 2 Maybelline, $5 for the 2 Dove, and $3 for the Degree deodorant. And we'll get 5,000 points from Fetch. So $5 coming from Fetch. All in all, we are getting $43, whereas we spent $54, which means $11 for 11 items makes each item just $1. So let me know if you're able to score, and thank you so much for watching.